Horizon Machinery Incorporated was established in 2003 and is a professional manufacturer of light construction machinery. This is our HVR216V Tandem Rollers with high performance for excellent compaction results. It is powered by the KUBOTA D722 engine. The rated speed is 9 km per hour with 35% gradability and plus or minus 7 degrees vertical pendulum. With a front vibrating drum and rear static drum, it offers efficient compaction results in a compact package. This machine is ideally suited for commercial and residential compaction of asphalt and granular subbase material. Built-in seat with seatbelt allows for safer and more comfortable operation during any season. Primary applications include secondary roads, parking lots, driveways, and repair work. Horizon Machinery focuses on the global construction market, providing customers with products tailored to their local markets. Contact us and get a quote now.